you guys, welcome back to my channel, Daily Stay with me, of course. Thank you guys for tuning in today. So from the title of this video, I will be doing another motivational lingo. I haven't done one of these in a long time and I feel like it's time. Actually, before I start with the topic, I want to PSA, listen up. If you haven't listened to anything so far, this is where you listen, okay? I need you to listen. I am no way, no shape, no form, no nothing trying to tell y'all that I have life figured out and I have all the answers to life. I'm not saying that. A lot of these things that I talk about are things that I'm going through or stuff that I'm trying to figure out how to deal with as well. So again, not trying to tell y'all how the answers to life and this is the right way to do things or the right way to think. This is just my opinion and how I'm dealing with it, or simply just asking how do I deal with it. So not every video is going to be about, hey, this is what you do. Some videos are going to be like just me venting, and just giving you guys some type of comfort to know that there is someone out there that's thinking like you. There is someone out there that's going through this, and there is someone out there that don't got the answer just like you. So that's the reason for me doing these videos, okay? So the topic today is self-doubt. That topic is very touchy for me because I do this all the time, every time, all day, every day, okay? It's something that is super hard to get over and master, and I feel like everybody goes through self-doubt. So it's not just you, it's not just me, a lot of people go through self-doubt. I've been going through a lot of self-doubt when it comes to achieving certain goals. So I recently started school and I was kind of worried because I haven't been in school in a minute after I graduated high school, and then I joined the military, blah blah blah. Haven't been in school since I joined the military basically, and I was kind of nervous about it. I was like, bruh, I'm not gonna remember nothing. Like, I don't even remember how to write a paper. Like, I don't even remember how to write a paper. I don't remember nothing. Like, I was pretty nervous. I was really nervous. And also it was an online class. So I never took an online class before, so it's my first time taking an online class, and that alone is a whole nother like scary thing for me. So yeah, so that's really what started this whole self-doubt, like this huge, that's what really pushed me to make this video, because at the end I was victorious. I actually overcame that and became better. But anyway, I started the class or whatever, and I looked at the whole syllabus and I was like, sis, you don't know what the heck they're talking about. You don't know what this is. What if you fail? Like, girl, you cannot fail this class. Like, there's a lot of stuff that would happen if you fail this class. You can't fail this class. Like, but you don't even remember how to write a paper, girl. Like, what if the quiz, and how are you gonna balance that with work? Like, there's no way you could take this class. Like, there's no way. Mind you, this is after I registered. Class was about to start in like 2 days, and I was just nervous. But the class started and I had my first paper. Sis, all I gotta say is a bitch got it, period. I'm that, okay? I'm that, okay? Because I wrote the paper and I got 100%, and the teacher was like, this is the best paper I ever seen in a couple months of teaching this class.
Her.
I was blown. I was like, oh, okay. All right. I thought can't write a paper ass said something, because I know how to write a paper, boo. So that kind of like boosts my confidence. And then there was like this other assignment that I wasn't sure. It's like a discussion and you got to post somewhere and comment on your other classmates stuff. It was a mess and I never did something like that. So I was nervous and I was like, I'm probably gonna get like a 50% on this, because I don't know what I'm doing. I just wrote something, did my best, followed the instructions, and I got 100% on that too. Girl, yes, I got 100% on it too, and I was the only one that followed instructions. I was actually freaking out about that, because when I read everybody else's response to what they posted on the discussion thing or whatever, I was the only one that was like doing the most, in my opinion. Like, I had citations, I had references, all that, and I was like, I called my best friend Brandy. I was like, sis, look at this, read this. Like, I'm really doing the most. These people gonna look at me like, this girl is doing too much. But come to find out, you were supposed to have citations in your discussion or whatever. You're supposed to have the things that I had in my paper, but all these people ain't had okay? So that kind of like boosted my confidence too. And then throughout that entire class, I got 100%. The lowest I ever got in that class was 95%. That was like a quiz or something. And I passed the class with 100%. Since I passed the class with 100%, before it started, I thought I was gonna fail. Or at least like I was like setting a low grade for myself, so I don't like, I have this bad habit of like setting a low standard or a low, like the minimum. So if I do get the minimum, I don't feel bad, instead of like setting a higher standard or a higher goal to reach, you know, so I don't disappoint myself if I don't make it. I tend to do that, and that's not good. It's good to reach for higher things, no matter how big it is, no matter how impossible it seems. It's good to do that. You train your mind to think like that. So yeah, I like self-doubted myself a whole lot, and like I cheated myself, and I kind of disrespected myself. Like myself should have been like, sis, you know I should beat your ass, right? You know what I'm saying? Like myself should have like beat my ass, because I really thought I couldn't write a paper and I wasn't gonna write a good one. And the fact that she was like, that's the best paper she's seen in months, I felt really good. And then that motivated me to take more classes, because it was just one class, and that motivated me to take more classes the next semester. So I'm taking more than one, and I'm excited. Like I feel more confident. I'm like, I'm gonna pass this with a breeze. I don't even gotta read all this extra notes. I know what I'm doing. Not trying to, you know, feel myself too much where I write dumb stuff, but I felt confident enough to take more classes. And I feel like a lot of us are going through a lot of self-doubt, especially during this time, during quarantine, during, you know, the Black lives being taken, all that stuff. I feel like a lot of us are going through a lot of self-doubt. Me personally, I've been going through a lot of self-doubt as far as like fearing for my life. You know, I don't feel any different from anybody else. I don't feel like because I'm not as dark or I'm not as light, I shouldn't be fearful. I am fearful, but that's also a part of self-doubt. I'm not gonna doubt myself. That I'm not gonna doubt God. I'm not gonna doubt God that He's going to wake me up the next day. I'm not gonna doubt that. I'm gonna definitely practice that. So yeah, I know a lot of us are going through a lot of self-doubt during this whole stuff that's going on, that's been going on really. This is not something new, but you know, hang in there. You know, everything will be okay. Everything will work out. Just believe in yourself. Don't doubt yourself, sis, or God. Like, why would you doubt yourself? Why would you underestimate yourself? How would you feel if somebody told you, I don't think you're gonna get that job because I don't think you're capable. Like, I don't think you're gonna reach your dreams because you ain't that good. How would you feel if someone told you that, let alone you're telling yourself that? That's not okay. That's not okay at all. So don't put all that pressure on yourself. Don't doubt yourself. Doubting yourself becomes a way of thinking instead of just little thoughts here and there. It starts to become a way of thinking, and then you don't really push yourself for higher goals and to reach higher heights and stuff. Like it really makes it hard for you to think big if you always think small. Again, this is something that I need to work on. I definitely didn't master this. I just wanted to share it with you guys because I know a lot of us are going through that right now, self-doubting ourselves that, you know, when this quarantine is over, you know, am I gonna get a job? Is there gonna be a job for me to go to and make some money? You know what I'm saying? Like, I know a lot of us are doubting, like, this just put me 10 steps back, you know, I doubt I'm gonna get back to where I was before the coronavirus happened, or, you know, like, it's okay. Nothing, and listen to this, if you haven't taken anything out this video, nothing that God puts on your plate is too much for you to handle. I'll say that again for the people in the back that got their volume turned down. Nothing that God puts on your plate is too much for you. It's enough. You just don't know yet. And that also comes with self-doubt. Don't doubt yourself that you can't handle this. Don't doubt yourself that you could get back on your feet. Don't do that. Don't sell yourself short, okay? Because at the end of the day, sis, let's think about last year. Let's think about the year before that, when you thought you wasn't gonna make it, or you thought that you wasn't gonna wake up the next day, or when you thought like, damn, I'm broke as shit, I can't, you know, make ends meet. But look at you now. You know, look at you now. Look where you've come. So don't knock yourself, y'all. Like, it's annoying, and you do it without even thinking sometimes, but we need to try to mentally be aware of the things we're thinking, and be able to control what we think. So, you know, if you find yourself coming across something that you doubt that you do, or you don't think this, or just catch yourself, mentally catch yourself, and just be like, nah, I'm not gonna sell myself short. I'm going to get exactly what I want, if not more, you know. So I'm gonna try doing that as well. And then once you get that little thing that you wanted to achieve, your confidence, baby, your confidence is like up here now. You know what I'm saying? Like, not saying it's gonna work miracles the first time, but a lot of times, like, the first time you see, like, damn, I really did that, your confidence is gonna go up, and then it's gonna go up, and then it's gonna go up. Like, can't nobody tell you shit. You know. So once you start getting a habit of it, and you see how much uplifting yourself and stop doubting yourself works, you'll be okay, and it won't be hard for you anymore. It'll be easy. So that's all I have, you guys. I don't want to talk any longer, because I know sometimes y'all don't want to sit here and just listen to somebody talk, which is fine with me, because I do the same stuff to other YouTubers when they talk too much. It's just, I'm skipping through that. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys. Again, I don't know all the answers. I'm just sharing with you how I feel, stuff I'm going through, and questions that I have for y'all to answer. But I really appreciate you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to your girl. Don't forget to comment what you guys think. Comment what you guys are going through. What are you doubting right now? And I'll list what I'm doubting right now too. I mean, at the end of the day, I'm not a master at all this stuff. I'm still gonna doubt myself maybe here and there, but I'm gonna definitely work on it, and I'm trying to encourage you guys to do that as well. And don't forget to like this video. I really appreciate you guys. See y'all in my next video. Bye.